Welcome, everybody, to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program, help you increase sales. This week, I talked about the basics of creating a multi-channel abandoned cart series that recaptures lost sales. This week is just the beginning. Next week, I'm going to get into the real fun stuff with abandoned cart messaging, so be sure to check back. But first, let's do a quick recap of the week. When creating your abandoned cart messages, there are 3 things I'd recommend including to engage customers' intent. 1, actively promote your value adds and competitive differentiators in your messages, such as free shipping and return policies. 2, convey a sense of urgency in your messages. Something like, these items won't last long can work great. And 3, use social proof to reinforce value adds, such as product ratings and customer testimonials. When it comes to discounting, don't feel you have to discount, but if you do, save it for the final message of your series. Of course, be sure to use workflow splits to test your incentives. Also, test the timing of your sends, but if you're looking for a place to start, I recommend setting your cart abandonment messages at 1 hour, 24 hours, and 48 hours after abandonment. Add all opt-in channels and collect permissions in your automations, especially SMS. Remember, last year, brands sent nearly 260% more automated SMS and 700% more automated push than the year before. And when sending abandoned SMS messages, consider using them as bookends, so sending along with the message 1 and 3. Send push messages as with message 2 to start and adjust according to the results. As you can see, we've covered a lot this week, but gradually optimizing your messages will help you achieve incremental growth with your email program, ultimately make you more money. Hope you're able to find something in this week's tips that will help you increase your sales. I'd love to see your cart abandonment messages, so be sure to share them with me on Twitter or LinkedIn, or tell me your brand name and I'll go abandon the cart myself. And be sure to tune in to next week, where I'll be diving further into abandoned cart messages and show you how to use data to personalize your series even further. So thanks for tuning into this episode of the Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend. Let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing, everyone.